even observers, honest observers will tell you, the media that witnessed these by-elections, it's impossible. Ukipewa shilingi 1,500 utapata kura wapi ya kuweka kwa box na utaekelea wapi mbele ya all these cameras and eyes? It is an impossibility. So let us get that clear.
IEBC bende oyangoni ne giyudo ng'ur ochiko ka bende auchiel kuomgi osewinji ma otieki ka adek nyocha ne owit oko kod do mamalo. Koni chenro mar kwano ombulu en gino mowinjore bed ne tayo kaluwore kod chike ma tayo yiero ma pacho kaendi, kendo bende oseyo malich mokalo jogo ma nyocha ne temo donjore kod yiero go ka bende okwedo tim mag maundu manoneno e kinde yiero ma adundo go.
We condemn these instances of assault not only against our officers but also against the general public. We also witnessed vandalism and destruction of election materials. All these incidences were reported and I think they are being processed by the National Police. We had situations where some 6 polling stations were affected by this kind of incidences of assault and vandalism. Voter bribery and impersonation, we cannot bury our heads in the sand. These things happen and something must be done about them. Interference by organized groups. We've spoken about that issue of mobilization of goons.